Hi everyone. Today we are learning about the word am. Am is a helping verb that we use with the subject I to talk about ourselves. It helps us explain who we are, how we feel, or what we are doing right now. For example, I am happy. This shows how I feel. I am a student. This tells who I am. I am learning English. This explains what I am doing. Listen, read, and speak the following example sentences to practice. Mike and I am a teacher. Teacher. I am a student. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am at home. I am at school. I am in the park. I am learning English. I am a good singer. I am excited. I am ready to go. I am busy right now. I am not feeling well. Well, I am waiting for you. I am here to help. Help. I am proud of you. You. I am interested in science. I am working on a project. I am wearing a blue shirt. I am playing a game. I am watching TV. I am writing a letter. I am thinking about the future. Now practice making your own sentences using am. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others learn. Stay tuned for more lessons and keep practicing. See you.